Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to round corners. First, let's pick a shape. I'm going to use a polygon. In older versions of Illustrator, to round corners, first you would select the shape, then go to Effect, Stylize, choose Round Corners, and change the radius to a desired value. Let's undo it. In Illustrator CC, you create round corners by using the Live Corners widgets, which are the little circles located by each corner. The easiest way to select corners is by using the Direct Selection tool. Simply click, hold, and drag a box around the whole shape to select all the corners. Now click on any of the Live Corners widgets, hold and drag. Notice that all the corners has been rounded at once. Let's undo it by dragging the widget back to the original position. If you would like to round only one corner, first click on the widget to select it. Notice that the cursor changed to an arrow with a curved line and a little circle next to it that indicates the selected corner. Now click on it again, hold, and drag to make a round corner. Another way to select a live corner is by dragging a box around it. Let's select the top corner. Now click on the widget and drag it down. Notice the gray box next to the cursor as I drag the mouse up or down. It indicates the radius value of the corner. Let's say I would like my radius to be 175 pixels. I could try to move the mouse up or down to get to this mark, but there is a better way to do it. With the Live Corners widget still selected, go to the top toolbar where you see Corners. Next to it is the Corner Radius window, where you can type the exact value for the radius and then press Enter on your keyboard. Another way to access the same window is by double-clicking on the selected widget. Now type 175 into the radius window and click OK. When you drag the Live Corners widget to the maximum possible point, the rounded corner is displayed as a red path. This indicates that the maximum radius for the given corner has been achieved. If you wish to round two corners at once, first drag a box around one corner to select it. Next, holding down the Shift key, select the other corner. And now click on one of the widgets, hold and drag. Let's select the top corner. As soon as you select the corner, the Live Corners widget appears. When you hover over the widget, the corners line changes to blue, indicating the selected corner. Now double-click on it to open the dialog. Over here, besides setting the radius and the type of rounding, you can also set the corner's style to chamfer or inverted round corner. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.